what we have here is a slow leak that turned into a fast leak. So I got the tire off, and when you pull these off, good luck if they come off. And if they do, don't forget there's a key in there that fits in this slot here and that slot there, right here. So what I'm going to do is get me some soapy water. I'm going to air this tire up, and I'm going to spray it with soapy water and see if I can find where it's leaking. And if it's fixable, I'll fix it. If not, I'll have to put a tube in the tire. So let me go to the other shop and get me a bottle of soapy water. First, we're going to check the valve. Hold on. Let's check the valve first, and then we'll check where the tire seats on the rim. So we'll check the valve. No leaks there. Nothing bubbling here. Flip it over. No bubbles there. Now, let's take it out in the light. I know I'm jumping around a little bit, but here we go. All right. So far, no luck. Stay. There we go. See that? Let me get the tire steady. Come on. Of course, now it's going to roll everywhere. Right there. I got to shut this off and put my finger on it and get my tool out. Just 1 second. Okay, here's the tools that we have. This is just a tire plug-in kit. This thing you stick in the hole to clean it out. It's got, some nubs on it that sort of rough up the edges of the hole. You put it in and out, and you twist it and put it in and out. this is the actual plug itself. And this is the plugging tool. And what you do is put this plug inside that little groove there, about halfway to the middle of this plug, and then you slather this rubber cement all over it, and then you shove it in the hole, and when you pull it out, it cuts itself in half, and you're left with this thing sticking out of that hole. And then you let it set. 30 minutes or so. Where's all? There it is. All right, I'm fixing to do that. You won't be able to watch because I only got one hand. If my wife was here, I'd have her film. Hold on, let me see if I can yell for her. This is what it looks like after you pull it out. And I forgot to mention the way I do it. I let most of the air out of the tire. That way the pressure doesn't push all the rubber cement back out the hole. So I'm going to give this about 10 or 20 minutes. Air it up. I'm going to take a pair of snips. I'm going to snip that off, level with the tire, put the tire back on, and we are good to go for another few years. Dear God, is it pouring out? Jesus.